Good. So today we are going to see how to record the TransferWise like payments, right? TransferWise payments into QuickBooks. If the TransferWise account is not connected with QuickBooks, and sometimes uh, we will not use the TransferWise account to be get connected with QuickBooks, especially when we have a lot of currencies. Like if you Victor, can you please open the Excel file, the TransferWise report? Can you please open that?
You see it?
Let me see. Yeah, I can see it now. So you see here, like we have like in this file we have like, okay, all this, like these are like these are the USD, but actually this is like Victor, can you please open? Okay, let me show it from my computer. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so okay. Okay. Anyway, so I'll just open my computer. Give me 1 minute here. So in this the target currency. So target currency, if here the target currency, if you see, like, Victor, like target currency, we have a lot of target currency, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 target currencies. So we have in fact eight accounts for this TransferWise. Okay, now, like, so that's why we do not connect the TransferWise into QuickBooks, and this is the specific reason that, okay, we do not connect the TransferWise into QuickBooks. Then if we do not connect TransferWise into QuickBooks, then what we do? Then we record this transaction like through importing the transaction into QuickBooks, and then we record or match with the bills. Like, also we maintain this client, they maintain the payables, so we match them with the bills. So how to import them? So, like, this is the file. From this file, we have taken the date. We have taken the date. The date means definitely the date of, like, when I'm saying we have taken the date, that means definitely the date of submit date. We have taken this date. At the same time, we have taken the amount, and then we have taken the, like, name. So this is the date, this is the description, and this is the amount, and the amount is negative definitely in the bank data, like, because they're payments, they're withdrawal from the holding account, so they're negative. So Victor, can you please open the Excel file that you imported? Yeah, so can you please make it make column B? Yeah, so this is the input file that we prepared. So this is the date we took from the other file, as you just see, and then also this file, this description, and this is the amount. Okay, then we imported them into QuickBooks. So Victor, can you close this one, and then keep the transfer file open, and open, like, on the screen, please bring QuickBooks. Close this one. Yeah, and bring QuickBooks. Okay, so in QuickBooks, and also, like, go to the TransferWise Excel file, not the input file, but the Excel file, the actual Excel file. Okay, so in the actual Excel file, if you go to the line 1, so line 1 we have the titles and everything, and then line 2 we have the ID. That's fine, the submitted. So we are actually trying to record this one, and what we do here, I'm sorry, what we do here, we go to this vendor center. So we go to the vendor center in QuickBooks, and so definitely we'll go to the vendor center, and in the vendor center we wrote, okay, can you scroll up, Victor, please? Yeah, so we wrote this name, Ehe Dogal Yapi, and then when we wrote this name, then we see that, okay, this bill is already recorded. So this bill is recorded, the bill date is May 5, and on the Excel file we can see that this payment was made on May 11, And the amount of the payment, if you go to the Excel file again, please. Yeah, so if you go to the Excel file, then yeah, the amount is 675. So that is absolutely correct. Everything is fine. And we just record. Okay, so what we do, we go back to the QuickBooks. So on the vendor center, we confirm. From the vendor center, we do not record anything. From the vendor center, we confirm that everything is correct. All the bills are correctly recorded. Now from the vendor center, we do not do anything. Again, I'm showing you, telling you, from the vendor center, we are not changing anything. We're not recording any payment and anything. But we'll go back to the bank feed. All the transaction we imported into QuickBooks. So can you please go to the bank feed, the other column, the bank feed column? Yeah, that's correct. So here now we know that okay, this is correct. Everything is correct. So we just I know we just match it. So you click on this and match. Okay,
Just match it.
just match it. Done. For
Okay.
this one, just match it, because for this one the fee is not there, even though there was a fee. But the way that the client recorded the bill, he included the fee in the bill. So that's fine, because we have not recorded this, and the way client records this, I'm fine with that. Okay, anyways, so the way
Okay.
that they do it, like we're fine with that. Now the second one, so Danley Jane Marita, Danley. So we know that this is Danley. Now we need to go to the vendor center, looking at these, and then we need to go back to the vendor center. Then yeah, oh, before going here, I'm sorry, before going here, go to the Excel file. And yeah, you need to write your note there. Put your stamp.
Let me see how we did.
Yeah, 20200603. So first the year, 4 digit of the year, and then the two digit of the month, and then the 2 digit of the day. So 2020 is the year, and then the 2 digit of the month, and then not the hyphen. After 03, within first bracket, you need to put your, yeah, and then space hyphen, and then you say whatever you want to say. Maybe here you want to say that okay, matched. Yeah, okay, matched with the bill. Okay, awesome. And then okay, so we have the Danley, and then we go back to QuickBooks, and then going in QuickBooks we will be going to the vendor center, and we write Danley. Okay, and we go to there, and we see that we have two bills there. We have already two bills there. One is like a bill of April, and the other one is a bill from May. So the payment was made in the month of May, at the beginning of May. So that is the payment made for this bill, 1100, 1112. Now go back to the Excel file. Go back to the Excel file. Excel file. Okay, and also we check the bill. We saw that okay, this bill is of this is for the class LTV plus, and this is 1112, and it says 1100 11.99, and there is a fee of 1161. That's perfectly fine. And so we know okay, and then we go back to the bank feed on QuickBooks. Yeah, go back to the bank feed on the QuickBooks. We know everything is correct there. Everything, the bill is recorded. Go to the bank feed, and then go and find match. That's correct. Find match, and then it will show you all the bills, and then from there you search Danley, and then you select that, and you see there is a difference of 1160. Yeah, you click on that. Okay, this is the tricky part. The reason we do this, the reason we do not make payment from the vendor center is because if we make the payment from the vendor center, then what will happen? Like we need to, what will happen with the bank fee? So because there is a bank fee, so we need to record the bank fee, then add. Instead, we can go here, and the bank fee transaction will be the date of the transaction of the bank fee is definitely May 5th, but actually the bill date is this one. So the date of the bank fee is recorded on the date you are paying this. That is the, like, this is the difference, right? And you need to understand this. Okay, so from here, do you see, can you hear that?
Yeah. Something
Okay.
happened there.
Yeah, thunderstorm. Yeah. So all right.
Ah,
Now,
thunderstorm.
yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Now, so the payee for this is definitely it's like TransferWise. Yeah. And this is Bankers. And this is the class is LTV plus. We check that on the vendor center. If you go back, if you have any doubt, you can always cross check with the vendor center.
Yeah, I check on the bill.
Yeah,
I check the bill here and
yeah,
see.
that's correct. And then the memo TW fees, and then
Yeah,
save it.
I remember that this is what we do the other day. Yes.
That is correct. So, and this is you missed for some of the payment. This is you missed for the sum of the payment. So be very careful on this, and this is the step that you need to replicate. This is the step that you need to follow for all of them. All the transaction we have here, you need to follow this. Okay.
Okay.
So can you do a couple of more? Can you do a couple of transactions so that I can see what you're doing?
Okay.
And you can narrate what you're doing if possible.
Okay. Okay. Let's go with ACA. ACA.
Okay. So where you're going now? You can narrate what you're doing. Like the way I narrated, you can narrate that.
Okay, I am going to look for this bill.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
150. These are the fees. These are the amount paid. So
So what you're looking now, you need to look that okay, if the bill for ICA is recorded in QuickBooks or not. That's what you need to look, right?
yeah, and I see that well, this tell me something. This open balance and this overdue balance. This one from for 150 that is overdue.
Hmm.
So there are two bills, and I'm going to apply the payment to the oldest bill,
Correct. Okay. So, and
which is
how you're going to do
this
that?
one.
Okay.
I'm
Awesome.
going to the vendors, the bank feed,
Okay.
and I look for the
Where
ICA.
where is that one? Why it is not showing ICA anywhere? So okay, now
May
this
the
is this is the
third.
tricky part. Okay, this is the tricky part because you see ICA there, but here you don't see ICA. So we are not okay. Uh, Maybe you can like right now it is sort ascending. It is in ascending order. You can do this on a descending order. You can click on this date, and then you see like okay, so this is how you can and this is how you can see. And also whoever you have on QuickBooks, you can search that on the Excel file. It's not like that okay, whoever you have on the Excel file you're searching that on QuickBooks, because that is you need to search a lot of people. You cannot search for it in QuickBooks, but in Excel file you can search for it. Okay, so all right, yeah, you do that now. Yeah, find a match. Okay, awesome. And what you're doing, please narrate.
I'm going to look for the vendor name,
Mm-hmm.
ICA. Oh, let me see how ICA with a C. And this is
Okay,
the
wait,
bill, the
wait,
older
wait,
one.
wait, wait. Now, when you went to the vendor center, I have a question here. When you went to the vendor center, I saw that ICA has two outstanding bill.
Yeah.
But when you are searching here, I see that we have only one bill. It is showing only one bill. Why is that?
My guess is QuickBooks shows me the oldest one.
Okay, can you just please pay your attention to the detail here. And okay, may I bring your attention to this detail here. Okay, it is
Yeah.
showing you all. No, 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 go back to the
No, no,
other one.
I wanted to show you something. Aquí, QuickBooks is showing me that there
No,
are
no, no,
two
that's fine.
bills.
That's fine. I'm go back to
Okay.
this one. Yeah. So it is showing you
Okay.
all, and it is you search ICA. So it is showing you anything that has this letter, this that is alphabet AYC. It is showing you anything that has this alphabet, and it is showing you from the second, like the 3rd of April. Sorry, the third
Ah,
of
the date.
February to the 13th of May. For that reason, you can see only one. If you change this date here, if you go to June or May 31st, because the other one was May 31st, yeah, you see like this, it will show you that one as well. So this is the like this is the reason that, but yeah, you're absolutely fine. I do not need to see this one, because this one is after the payment has been occurred. So we will
Yep.
never, and again, like it can happen that you're making an advance payment. That's fine. Yeah, literally you can make that. But if that happens, please do not record that without letting me know, because we will have a different treatment for that. Okay? So
Okay.
if that happens, never record that. All right, so we'll always record the normal way. So here, this is the okay, this is how. Okay, so you can go ahead, please. What you're doing now?
I am solving the difference,
Okay.
taking the uh, the the excess of payment to the bank charges.
Okay.
The date is correct. This is TransferWise.
Okay.
The category is bank charges. And the class, I go to the vendor center and I see the bill. Task drive
Okay.
and TransferWise fees. Then I save it.
No, this is not correct.
Why not?
Okay, here you see, like, okay, the payment, somehow you put a payment of 3.57 here. I don't know who put that, but this is what I see. Okay, you make a payment of 3 point, like the open balance is 157, so you just altered, like this 3.57 should be the fee and the payment should be 150.
Right. Uh, this is the first time I see that this is not.
Like somehow you pressed something, this is not automatic, this is somehow
Yeah.
you pressed something and this happened. Okay,
Well, I'm
you,
glad. I'm glad this happened. Now I'm gonna pay attention to that.
that is correct. Okay, yeah, so you need to pay attention to everything. You need to keep your eyes and ears and everything open. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, that's very tricky.
Yeah,
It is,
because
I mean,
the
bookkeeping
other
is,
day everything the other day everything was added automatically, but now I see that it can happen. So
that is
I'm gonna
correct,
pay
and
attention to that.
that is correct, and like bookkeeping is not a rocket science, but bookkeeping is very, like, in order to be a very like good bookkeeper, in order to be a, like a very good accountant, you need to be very attentive, you need to be very careful on everything that you do. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, okay, so you save it. All right,
Yeah.
so you're going to do this, you're going to follow this process for all the vendors we have here, right?
Right.
Okay, do you have any other question here?
No, no. I was going to ask you, but you already answered it. Yesterday, I was going to add all these transactions manually through the
Okay.
vendor center, adding a check here.
Mm-hmm.
But I saw something that I didn't see in our first call, which is that I saw that the vendors added the fees amount to the bill, and that was something new. So I said, well, tomorrow I will ask Shams about this because this is new. This
Yeah,
is new for me.
absolutely. And we cannot do that. And the reason we cannot do that, okay, let me explain that. Let me explain that to you. Right at this moment, this books is closed. On accrual basis, this books is closed already. Like if you go to the reports, can you please go to the report section? And yeah, you open the profit and loss. Open the profit and loss here. Yeah. Okay. So you see on the profit and loss now, if go to the last month, scroll up, go to the yeah, last month accrual. So you see the profit and loss. Now you go down, scroll down, very bottom line. Yeah. So we have okay, not the last month. Last month means May. Okay, go to the month of April because we have not recorded the income for the month. Yeah, go to the month of April. Yeah, from here. Yeah. Just, yeah, run report. So go to the very bottom. Yeah, so we have a income net. Yeah, go to the bottom line. We have a net operating income of 9 grand, 9,800, right? Now
Right.
9,800, we have an income. Now if we alter the bill, because all those bills that you are paying now, you're recording the payment now, or you're making the you're matching the payment now, all the bills, they're from April, right?
Right.
If you alter the bills of April, then this number will be changed, right?
And the money is closed.
But the month is closed, we already have given this number to the client. The client knows this. We have calculated the estimated tax payment using this number. We have paid the tax amount. We have done a lot of things, maybe their internal incentives. So many things has been done using this amount. And also, like, this is the thing, like, the bank fee is not, it is not actual. If we alter the bill, then it is not actual. You cannot alter the bill. The actual is when you are paying the bill, then there is a fee. So it is a transaction not happened with the bill. It is a transaction happened on the payment, on the date of the payment, right? So that's the reason you need to follow this process, not the other process. Got it?
Right. Right.
Okay. So okay, so then it is a matter, okay, you need to continue doing this and you need to like complete doing this, okay?
Okay. I
And
do that.
also for information, just I don't know like what is the status, but we already have received all the documents for Algoro as well. So please complete LTV plus. Like, I know that the two card account, like one of the Bank of America credit card and the Amex credit card statement has not been generated yet, so we are waiting on that. But other than these two card, please complete everything of LTV plus and then jump on to Algoro.
Oh, okay. I have one question on LTV Plus. The bank website and all website, I'm gonna ask me for a code to verify my IP address, the IP address from I am accessing to the portals.
Sorry. Okay.
Because
Okay.
it's the first time I'm going to access those websites, so they're gonna ask me a code, a security code.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Now maybe I can help you. Okay. After you're done with this TransferWise, then I can check that, and let's see if I can help you on that. And yeah, I can definitely. I'll check that. But let me know when you're done with this. Okay. Then we can check that.
Okay, I'm going to work on this, and then I let you know,
Sure.
so we can
Thank you
work
very
on that.
much. Yep. Thank you very much, Victor.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay,
Bye bye.
bye.